Up guys, Baybox Breaks, theecard.com. Break number 197's filled. Got the product last night. So let's get to it. You guys know the rules. Bought on this site. Searched. Or Satan. Thank you. Everybody's going to be eligible for a free spot in my next break, which I might do SP Game Use mix with Trilogy. We'll see. Okay, let's start with the teams 3 times. And 3. Ottawa on top. All the way down to the Flyers. Excel ready again. Fuck. There we go. Copy. Paste. Right. Ottawa on top. Flyers on the bottom. And now, people in the break. 2 and 3. Paste. And all these breaks, I'll put this in the description below. So we've got Ottawa goes to Sadion, Chicago, Sadion, Red Wings, Sadion, Hurricanes go to STM 1980, Devils, Sadion, Sabres, Sadion, Surged. You've got the Knights, Sharks, Leafs, Panthers, Blues, Pittsburgh Penguins, Kings, Predators, Lightning, Jets, Ducks, Blue Jackets, Oilers, Capitals go to Christopher, Surge, you got the Canadiens, Colorado goes to Sadian, Wild is M. Hughes, Canucks, Bruins, Rangers, Coyotes, Stars, Flames, Islanders, and Flyers. I'll go to the same guy. So, off to the spot to bust the box.
Okay, let's get to it. Get some good hits. Okay. First hit for the Ducks. Out of 296, Marcus Peterson. Okay. Next up for the Wild, out of 115, Jordan Greenway. Jordan Greenway. Next hit for the St. Louis Blues. Auto, Jordan Kyrou. St. Louis. Wonder if there's other variations. Next up, for the Washington Capitals, banner year, John Carlson. What kind of banners these are? Like, what does it say? Congratulations, you received a trading card. Piece of decorative banner certified to us, having been used in NHL event, Stanley Cup Finals. Okay, so this is just random shit in the rinks. Neat. Jersey for the Capitals again. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Capitals not numbered. Not numbered. And Jake Muzzin, which is now a Toronto Maple Leaf, but here it's a King. Jake the Snake Muzzin. Okay. So that's the box. Not really an eventful box. Is rookie out of anything? Not even numbered. Okay, well, back to the spot. 3, 6 cards. I thought we were supposed to get 7. Okay, well, back to the spot to the rounds for the free spot in my next break.
Recap here. Greenway, Patterson, Muzzin, Kuznetsov, and I'd say they hit the box right there. Blues, rookie jersey, auto red. So, time for the free spot in my next break. And what the fuck's my random? Do this random again. So, copy the teams again, or people. Copy here. Okay, we'll go 3 times. Person on top gets free spot in my next break. 2. Free spot goes to M. Heisman. So, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll get these cards out ASAP, and I'll have my next break up here right away. Might just do a 2-box, maybe just another box. Maybe I'll do another box of this and a box of Trilogy. So, thanks a lot, guys, and check out bigboxbreaks.eCreator.com.